9 golden rules to get inside his head. Want to get inside a man's mind? Do you want to become the person he cannot get out of his thoughts? If yes, then you just clicked on the right video, because in this video we will unwrap 9 golden rules, giving you a sneaky peek into his heart and mind. So, are you ready? Let's start. Number 1. Always show your best self. Because you are supposed to appear best in order to get into his head, so how would you do that? Don't worry, I have a few tips ready for you. 1. Be confident. Confidence always attracts attention and conveys that you respect yourself, which in turn draws his attention to you. 2. Dress. Well, you don't need expensive labels. Wear comfortable clothes that boost your confidence and complement your style. Feeling good about your appearance exudes positive vibes, making you more attractive. 3. Keep to good personal hygiene. Hygiene should reflect self-respect and influence the way others judge you. Fresh breath, clean skin, and well-groomed hair do make a huge difference. 4th act. Kindly to all others. Kindness and respect attract every single person. Treat him and others with courtesy, and he will certainly enjoy being treated that way. 5. Embrace and express your interests. Discussing shared interests or hobbies fosters deeper connections. Mutual interests, such as sports, hobbies, or books, provide opportunities for bonding. How do you act the best in front of men? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Number 2. The secret door. This simple strategy would help you get inside his mind. Be overly friendly and light-hearted when you're with him, like a close friend. Show maturity throughout the time you spend with him, and then be gone without saying goodbye. This must create curiosity in your mind. When he texts, you don't reply or reply casually the next day that you're busy. Such an elusive departure also manifests independence and confidence, very attractive qualities. Remember, to make someone miss you requires finding a balance between interest and mystery, and this technique does just that. Number 3. The cautious gaze. Now select a time. You are in the same room. Maybe you are at a party or killing time. Be certain you're not wearing sunglasses and that your eyes are not attracted to your cell phone. Gently catch his eye and keep your eyes soft for a few seconds. Do not stare. Let it just pass by. Then, slowly, subtly look away as if you are distracted by something else. This creates an air of intrigue and mystery. Pause momentarily, then look at him once again and focus your eyes on him. Now during that second look, but be interested and confident when looking into his eyes for that split moment. Then flash that slight, subtle smile back as your eyes meet again, and just continue on doing what you are doing, talking to your friends or drinking and giving that curious, mystical glance. Using such an approach, you show interest in him without coming too aggressively and make him want to know you well. Number 4. Repeat his name in conversation. The use of somebody's name is very significant in a conversation. It means you know them and care about what they say. Saying your name can give a feeling of specialness, which may create enhancement for the conversation. When someone says your name many times, that means you're really paying attention to them and want to know what they have to say. It makes people feel important and liked. Using your name in conversation might make it a little more personal, like the two of you have some special secret which helps you get along better. A famous writer once said that using people's names in conversation is pretty important, and people will love you even more. However, do not overuse it because it starts to sound insincere. Find the right balance so it does not feel forced. Number 5. Treat him with care and attention. It's challenging to get into a man's head, and one needs some cautious steps, empathy, and a tight grip on psychology in humans. Start approaching him with sympathetic eyes and keen interest in becoming closer. This step creates a base for venturing into his head. Approach him without judgment or preconceived ideas so that he feels safe and respected. Things that encourage him to open up with his thoughts and emotions. Don't push for an answer in a hurry. Men, just like everyone else, require a bit of thinking time to actually feel well prepared to come out with what is on their mind. Let the conversation flow naturally and allow him to open up at his own pace. This would mean that he opens his heart and does not force it. Number 6. Selective communication. Not one size fits all, though. There is a trick that works. Selective communication. You astutely cut down talking to him. You create a mental gap where longing and eagerness can bloom. This tactic lies in the classic human tendency to want what we can't easily get. The moment it is inaccessible, it seems we want it much more. This will make the man miss you all the more in the romance scene. Instead of being at his beck and call, make yourself less available. This will make him feel your absence and crave you more. Number 7. Be an excellent source of energy. It is quite powerful and rewarding on many levels to just dive into human psychology to craft deep connection relationships. To make him understand and get into his mind, you'd have to be a source of positive vibes. A human being craves that appreciation for sure. Sincerely and thoughtfully expressing admiration about his actual qualities and things done speaks out to your actual sincerity. Focus should be on the qualities that really make your heart respect him. That way, emotional bridges will be cemented and will leave a strong impression in his mind. Number 8. Keep the fun. To leave a lasting impression, embrace the fun side of life. Keep interactions light-hearted and pleasurable. Good conversations at an early stage, easygoing. Something that can last a lifetime, laughter. Deeper conversations should come later in your relationship, though. After spending some quality time together, make it simple. A simple remark like, "Thanks for such an enjoyable day. I had a blast," can work wonders. This short remark shows thought and leaves a sweet impression in his mind. Number 9. The tease curious. Appeal to his interest with a text like, "Hey, I have a quick question for you," to grasp his attention. Then do not respond directly when he actually responds to your text. Let the suspense cook. When he's waiting on pins and needles for your response, casually throw at him, "Oh, never mind." A little play can set things abuzz with intrigue and make you unforgettable and mysteriously attractive. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you all in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, just click that like button, subscribe for more, and let me know what you think in the comments below.